This is a radon mitigation system. What this does is this keeps the radon gases from penetrating through the structure of the home. Radon is a radioactive, harmful gas that's found naturally in a lot of the areas around our state. And with this system, there's a fan located in the attic, so it keeps all the potential leaks of radon outside the envelope of the house. And since we can't see that fan or hear that fan, to know that this system's operating properly, we must come over here to this manometer. This red fluid in the manometer should not be at the same level. One should always be lower than the other. If these were at the same level, you would want to call your service partner and have them inspect the fan. This is a properly operating system. If those two are level, that means the fan is not running.